it's time already. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already.
Say next, sitting home, watch my gram, who vex me? I want like a real girl, I chase them checks.
Alright, hi guys. Ooh, ow. This is just like the best curly hair, like period. When it comes to curly hair, I avoid it because it's only particular types of company that know how to do good hair. This hair is like, oh god, I know it's gonna last me long. I've worn it for like a week now. No, not a week, have I? I've worn it all now. What I really like about this hair, to be very truthful to you guys, is the fact that it doesn't look like Indomie. Like, it doesn't look stiff, hard and dry. This hair just looks really good. Let me get all the facts before my camera ends on me. It's Alipearl Hair Deep Wave in inches, 26, 24, 22 and a 20 Lace Frontal. That's it. That's the vendor there. I am in love, guys. The last time, if you know me and you know my channel and you've stuck with me from the beginning, you know that I've tried Alipearl hair before. I tried their body web and it was lush. Their textures are just, their patterns is what I'm talking about. The patterns is just lush. As per usual, I made this wig myself, like how I make all my wigs, and what I use is literally water, plain water, and I use S-curl as well. So when I spray the hair with water in the areas I feel like it needs water, I'll scrunch up the hair and then I'll put the S-curl in some places where I feel like the curls need to be more defined, like the back or the ends of the hair. With the S-curl, I don't like the way the S-curl feels in my hand, so I don't try to ruin the curls and the hair with too much product. Honestly, hand on heart, this is like one of them curly hairs you don't have to worry about going to the toilet to go and spray every minute, because it just always looks nice. It doesn't get like bushy puffy, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not wet now. This one I'm trying to say, I always get so deep into my hair reviews. I need to fucking relax. Oh, I'm getting a headache. I haven't wet this hair now and it looks good, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't look bushy or tangled or not wet, if that makes sense. I love this. Like, I wouldn't want to leave this like this, but I'm going to demonstrate to you guys what I do with the spraying business. So this is like one side. I don't spray too much on this hair because it doesn't need a lot of water and product. So we'll scrunch it up because I don't want to run my hand through it. I just want to scrunch it up to curl. Other side I'll do as well. Oh, this water thing sprays fucking everywhere. So annoying. Honestly, it's just going fucking everywhere, right, guys? It's going all on my makeup and shit. Scrunch. A little bit of S-curl. I'm good to go. I've added like 2 bits of baby hairs here because I like these 2 swoopy baby hairs when I have curly hair. And guys, oh my god, I know the way I'm shouting on, it sounds like I'm overdoing it, but I'm not overdoing it, I promise you. I'm just really excited about this hair because it just looks so damn good on me. But the point what I was trying to make is, basically, they gave me a frontal that is pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do a lot of plucking at all. The only thing I had to do was bleach it and tint it to my skin colour. The frontal is gorgeous, guys. Oh god, like, stop. I know I'm not the best at frontals, but this one's killing it. This one's absolutely, this one's got in the bag. Oh well, I'm funny. So yeah, I love this hair. I really like the way I've sewn it as well. Like, it's just, everyone loves this hair on me. Oh, like, yes, Vanessa, I love your hair. And I was like, thank you. Thank you. There's only specific types of curly hairs I rock with when it comes to Aliexpress, and this is one of their companies. Frontals, perfect. Ugh, god, it just looks like a scalp from here. And the lengths are perfect as well. So the longest I have in it is 26 inches, and it's all true to length. Even shedding curly hair always sheds, but I haven't had like bad shedding. But guys, thumbs up this video, leave a comment, ask any questions you would like to ask me. Make sure you subscribe when you watch my videos, tag me, let me know. Any questions, guys, message me. I have a new Snapchat. I am no longer on Florist One. It's Vanessa Black with 2 C's. And yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. I hope you like this hair as much as I do, giving me Kelly vibes. And for some reason, I want to name this Nicole because I feel like a Nicole. Yeah, shout out to the Nicoles because you're giving me like a Nicole vibe with this hair. But yeah, I will see you guys. I'm so done out here. I am gonna go now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.